nice to meet you everyone. My name is Daniel Go. I am the AP Mathematics and Physics teacher here at CIC. 반갑습니다. 저는 다니엘 고라고 하고요. CIC에서 AP 수학하고 물리학을 담당하고 있습니다. Today I want to talk to you guys about geometry and I want to mention a little bit about circles, triangles, and properties of triangles. 오늘은 기하학 중에서 이 삼각형들이 가지고 있는 특성 그 중에서도 이제 circumcenter, incenter, 그다음에 centroid, orthocenter 에 대해서 좀 얘기를 하고 싶은데요. 자, 이걸 하기 전에 let me first tell you a little bit about why are we learning this? It's a question I get a lot. 이걸 왜 배워야 되나요? 옛날에 이 그리스 사람들이 수학을 할 때 어떻게 했었냐면 long time ago the Greeks they did math using shapes. 다 모양을 이용해서 이렇게 수학을 했었는데 그때 이상하게도 수학을 막 모양을 이용해서 풀다 보면은 계속 원이 나오고 계속 예상치 못하는데 자꾸 삼각형이 나오기 시작했어요. Okay? They kept finding circles and triangles where they didn't expect it. And it turns out that circles and triangles are very important in nature. So if you're later going to have a career maybe in science, medicine, if you're going to take higher level math, it will become a little more apparent why you need circles and triangles. Okay? 나중에 좀 더 어려운 수학을 하고 과학을 하게 되면은 이래서 우리가 그때 삼각형과 원을 배웠구나라는 게 그때 가서는 이해가 될 텐데 지금은 일단은 이 삼각형과 원의 특성에 대해서 먼저 한번 좀 배워볼게요. 자, 이 그리스 사람들이 도형을 이용해가지고 수학을 이렇게 하고 있었는데 자꾸 삼각형이 원이 나오니까 they started asking this question. 그러면은 삼각형의 중심은 어디 있나요? And this is actually a very difficult question. 지금 현재 삼각형의 중심이라는 게 뭐 한 9개, 10 몇 개 이렇게 좀 정의가 돼 있어요. 그 중에서 우리는 딱 4가지만 볼게요. 자, the first one is something called the circumcenter. And I'll do these in order. Come on, let me erase. 뿅. Oh, look at that. Nice. 자, a circumcenter is where you have a triangle. And you are going to circumscribe. Circumscribe가 뭔 뜻이냐면은 그리스어로 circumcenter, something 뭐냐면은 둘레를 만든다는 거예요. It means you're going to go around something. Okay? So you are literally going to draw a circle around the triangle. 이 삼각형 밖에 이렇게 원을 하나 그려줄게요. 그래서 이거는 I want you to remember it as circle. Yeah, you're gonna circle something. Think of it as circumference. If you will. Okay? 원둘레잖아요. 자, 그러면은 이 circumcenter는 삼각형 밖에 이렇게 원을 만들었을 때 이 밖에 있는 원의 중심이에요. Does that make sense? You first draw a triangle and then you're going to draw a circle outside and you're going to try and find the center of the circle. 여기서 몇 가지. 이 삼각형의 꼭지점들, the vertices of this triangle have to be on the circle. Okay? 이게 원둘레 이렇게 딱딱딱 있어야 돼요. Okay. How do you draw this? Well, one way is you can, it's kind of like sketching, it's like, right, that's good enough. 근데 이거를 좀 더 정확하게 그릴 수 있는 방법이 있어요. To do that, let's actually go, I want to erase. Erase, please. 뿅. Ooh, look at that. What I want to do is I want to go backwards. Okay? 먼저 원을 그려볼게요. 뿅. I first a circle. 그 다음에 what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick 3 arbitrary points. 임의의 3개의 좌표를 somewhere. 자, if I join these, I can make a triangle, right? 자, because these are on the circumference of this circle, 원 둘레 있으니까 이 원의 중심과 얘네를 연결해주면은 반지름이겠네요. These are all radii, right? So that's a radius, that's a radius, that's a radius. Okay. And notice, if I join these lines, these are chords, right? 원호죠. 이렇게 하면은 내가 원하던 삼각형이 나오네요. 자, 아까 이것도 반지름, 이것도 반지름, 이것도 반지름. radius, radius, radius니까 여기도 radius, radius니까 길이가 똑같겠네요. 여기도 radius, radius니까 길이가 똑같고. This is a radius, radius. So these lengths are all the same. So it turns out this is what? This is an isosceles triangle. 이등변 삼각형이네요. 그러면은 if this is an isosceles triangle, notice what happens. 여기 기준 원 중심을 기준으로 from here, from the center of this circle, I'm going to draw a perpendicular line. 직각으로 쭉 가게 선을 만들면 아하, you remember from your earlier studies. 이등병 삼각형 isosceles triangle의 밑변으로 이렇게 이걸 우리가 뭐라고 그러죠? You need to know this for later. What do we call this? 이렇게 vertex에서 밑변까지 직각으로 perpendicular 내려가는 거를 we call this an altitude. 높이야. In English we call it altitude. Please remember that. Okay? This altitude does what? It bisects the triangle. 왜? 이등병 삼각형이니까. 아, 그러면은 여기도 we have what's known as a perpendicular bisector. Right? It's perpendicular and it bisects, cuts it into two equal parts. This is also perpendicular bisector. This is also perpendicular bisector. 그래서 starting from the circle, you saw me draw the triangle, right? We can use this property, we can leverage this property to go the other way around. 그러면은 반대로 삼각형으로 시작을 해서 원을 어떻게 그릴 수 있나요? 이 삼각형의 perpendicular bisector 세 개가 만나는 곳이 어디겠어요? circumcenter이겠네요. 자, circumcenter는 어떻게 그리냐면은 모든 perpendicular bisector들을 다 그리고 걔네들이 딱 모이는 곳이 circumcenter예요. 오케이? 그래서 I'm going to measure the length of this side. 그 얘를 딱 이등분했을 때 let's say the point is here. 오케이? 얘가 딱 이등분, bisect 된 곳이 여기라면은 여기 기준으로 perpendicular한 이렇게 직각인 선 하나 이렇게 그릴게요. Same thing here. I'm going to measure this. I'm going to try and cut it into equal lengths as much as I can. 그리고 여기서 이렇게 가는. This is obviously not to scale. 그 다음에 여기도 마찬가지로 얘를 정확히 2등분 했을 때 maybe it's somewhere here. Okay? 얘네들이 다 모이는 곳이 this is not to scale. Okay? But if this were to scale, you would have a wonderful little, let's see. Maybe I can erase just this part. Oh. Let me try. I think it's better if I do freehand. I'll do it freehand. Yeah, you'll see. You get to see my art. 자, 여기를 let's say 여기가 중심 이렇게. Let's say this is a bisector. 여기가 중심. Let's say 뿅. That's better. And then let's say right there, right there. There we go. Okay. 자, that's where the in-center is going to be. Okay. 그래서 여기를 기준으로 내가 원을 하나 그리면은 무슨 원이 나온다? 얘를 이렇게 감싸주는 원이 나온다. So that is your in-center. circumcenter. Circumcenter. And this is where all the perpendicular bisectors meet. Perpendicular bisectors meet. Okay, next one. 뿅, 삼각형이 있을 때 밖에다가 원을 하나 그렸죠, right? And you're allowed to do that. That's valid, yeah. But why outside? Why can't I draw a circle inside? If it's possible, maybe it's not, but yes. In fact, it turns out it is possible. All triangles have inside them a circle that just fits. Okay, 모든 삼각형은 이 삼각형의 변에 딱 여기 어딘가, 여기 어딘가, 여기 어딘가를 한 번만 만나는 원을 그릴 수가 있어요. 이 원의 중심을 is what we call the in-center. And the easy way to remember it, it's in-center because it's a circle that's inside. For that one, turns out what you have to do is, if I can draw it, let me draw it please. Here, I'm going to start with the triangle. If you draw a circle inside, this center is the in-center. 이 in-center를 기준으로, if I draw lines from here to the vertex, and here to this vertex, and here to this vertex, turns out that these angles get bisected. 즉, the size of this angle, 이 각도의 크기랑 이 각도의 크기랑 완전히 똑같아요. And the size of this angle is exactly the same as the size of this angle. And the size of this angle is exactly, they bisect the angles. Okay? So here, the in-center, how do you find it? You draw all the angle bisectors. Okay? So someone gives you a triangle. 누군가에게 삼각형을 줬어요. 이 삼각형 안에 딱 들어가는 원을 그려주세요 하면은 what can you do? 뭐 각도기 같은 걸로 여기 각도를 재고 정확히 반으로 나누는 선을 이렇게 슉 하나 그려주고 same for the other side. Measure this angle as exactly as you can. Split it exactly, bisect it. Right, and go 슉. Do the same for this one. Measure the angle. Cut it exactly in half, please, and go shung. I missed that by a mile. This is why I didn't go to art school. Yeah? Go like that. And, believe it or not, this is obviously not to scale. But this here will be the center of a circle that fits just inside the triangle. And I know this one's not very convincing, but it will be tangential. It will touch here only once. And for those of you who are saying, well, how do I know? You may have learned something called circle theorems. 원이 있을 때 원 밖에 점이 있어요. Okay, if you have a circle and a point outside the circle, and if you draw lines that are tangential, 딱 한 번만 만나는 이런 라인들을 그리면은 there's a theorem that says these lines are the same. 그리고 여기는 radius니까 반지름이니까 these lines are going to be the same. 그러면은 notice if you cut like this, you have now congruent triangles, right? SSS, yeah? This side and this side are the same. This side are the same. These sides are shared. SSS니까 이 각도랑 이 각도랑 똑같아지 않아요? Yeah? Because CPCTC, right? Congruent parts of congruent triangles are congruent. 합동인 삼각형들의 일치하는 부분들은 합동이잖아요. And the same happens for these angles and these angles, yeah? So in center is the circle inside the triangle, and you create that using the angle bisectors. 자, the two other ones are, this one has a difficult name. This one is called the orthocenter. Oof, difficult name. It's Greek. 이게 그리스 사람들이 다 발명한 거라 가지고 ortho가 in Greek that means 직각, 90도. In their language. Okay? 그리스 사람들의 언어로는 이게 직각이라는 뜻이에요. And maybe the easy way to remember it is you can say 여기 there's like a T, like this sort of like cross, yeah? 이게 약간 직각처럼 보이잖아요. Ortho, yeah? T. Okay, remember 직각. 그 얘는 뭐냐면은 the way you find the orthocenter, this has nothing to do with circles. This has nothing to do with circles. Circumcenter, incenter, yes. 걔는 삼각형과 원이 어떻게 그 연관이 있는지를 얘기해 주지만 orthocenter is a different sort of center of a circle. 그 얘는 if you have a triangle that looks like something like that. 여기는 뭘 할 거냐면은 you are going to draw all the altitudes. Okay? Do you remember what an altitude was earlier? We said altitude는 뭐였어요? 여기. From the vertex, you're going to draw down a line that is perpendicular. That may or may not be a bisector. Careful. Okay? That may or may not be a bisector. In this case, I don't think that's a bisector. Okay? This is an altitude. All triangles will have this. Same here. I'm going to draw whichever line, and maybe it's easier if I go like this. That looks like it's 90 degrees. Yeah? Looks like it's 90, I think. And it looks like I'm going to have a line that goes, ooh, come on. I missed it. Yeah, 90 degrees. That's a line. Beautiful. Beautiful, yeah? This is the orthocenter of the triangle. Okay? So how do you find or how do you draw the orthocenter of a triangle? Well, this one, you find where all the altitudes intersect. Okay? Intersection. The intersection point of all the altitudes. The last one that tells you about where is the center of a triangle is this. It's something called the centroid. 얘만 좀 다르네. 딴 거는 it was something center, something center, something center. 얘만 표현이 좀 달라요. 왜냐면은 this is the only one that has a different standard. 얘만 기준이 좀 달라요. 얘는 기준이 뭐냐면은 let me first tell you this. 얘는 we're going to draw something called the median. So a median of a triangle, if you remember. 자, if you have a triangle, 삼각형이 있을 때 the line that goes from the altitude straight down and makes a perpendicular. From the vertex to the other side, we call this an altitude. The line that goes from here, this vertex, to whatever point is halfway through. So if this is B, whatever is B over 2, B over 2. Okay? This line, remember, we call a median. They're different, yeah? Sometimes they're the same, maybe not always, yeah? So here, I'm going to cut this into exactly 2 parts. That looks like it's half. And I'm going to draw a line from here to here, so that this is equal. Here, I'm going to measure it and maybe cut it, looks like half, about there. And I'm going to draw a line from here to here. I'm going to measure this line and we're going to cut it in half. So it looks like it's here, same size. And I'm going new like that. That is what's known as the centroid. So how do you draw the centroid? Well, this is where all the medians intersect, and there has the wonderful property that this length is 2/3 of that. Okay, so this length will be 2/3 to this, so it's essentially a 2-to-1 ratio. Yeah, it's a 2-to-1 ratio. But there's something interesting about the centroid. 얘만 이름이 좀 다르죠. 얘가 center이 앞에 있잖아요. You may have learned this as the center of mass. 그러니까 circumcenter is where you have a triangle, and I'm going to draw a circle outside. And this is actually quite profound. You'll find this later when you do like pre-calc and whatnot. Incenter is you have a triangle and you draw the circle inside. Orthocenter happen to be you have a triangle and I'm going to draw all the altitudes, right? Centroid is the center of mass, 질량의 중심. What does that mean? Well, suppose you have like magic powers. And suppose you can shrink things. Yeah? And suppose you have the power to use the power of math and just, right? And you can make this like small. But you do that by conserving all the mass. Yeah? 내가 수학의 마법을 이용해가지고 여기 있는 이 모든 걸 이렇게 압축시킬 수가 있다고 칠게요. 그러면은 여기에 있는 질량, the stuff that this has, is essentially behaves as though it's all focused here. Okay? If I could compress all the mass into a point, it would be as though it's here. The other way to think about it is this. I have here prepared a little prop. 자, I cut a random triangle. 그리고 여기서 뭘 했냐면은 I actually measured these lines with a ruler as best as I could. 하고 딱 이 길이 맞게. Okay, this length as close as I can to this length. Okay, so I drew all the medians of this triangle. And I just told you if I have the magic power to compress all this, the mass would be as though it's here. Turns out what that means is 그게 뭐랑 똑같냐면은 내가 여기다가 바늘이나 뭔가 이렇게 하나 두면은 얘가 떨어지지 않고 I hope this works. It did work when I tried it before the camera. Maybe the camera makes my hand shake. If I put this here, it should balance. Look at that. Okay. Whoop. That's because I was nervous, yeah? But did you see how it was? You saw, yeah? It was balancing. That's what a centroid is. 자, I know when you're taking geometry, you might think, well, what's the point? Because in geometry, 외워야 될 게 너무 많아요. 그리고 이걸 외우면서 가끔, 선생님, 이거 외워야 돼? 이거 어디 있어요? 하는 경우가 아마 가끔 있을 거예요. Please let me tell you this. 이게 지금은 내가 이걸 왜 배우고 외워야 되는지 이해가 안 되겠지만, 지금은 사실 뭔가 이제 재료를 준비하는 단계예요. You are preparing ingredients for something very powerful called pre-calculus and calculus. And this thing, particularly of all the things that we learned, this thing called the centroid and circumcenter and incenter, these come back, I'm not a good artist. These come back later in what you called trigonometry. In fact, circumcenter 하고 incenter라는 것이 있기 때문에 모든 삼각형이 사실은 원이다라는 수학적으로 되게 유명한 그 정리가 있어요. 그 증명이 있어요. There's actually a very famous proof in mathematics that was done thousands of years ago by a man named Euclides, Greek mathematician, who proved all triangles are actually circles. And you might say, well, big deal, who cares about that? It is a big deal because let me ask you this. When you look outside the window, if you look at the stuff that's made by nature, 인간이 만들지 않은 거를 보면은, 자연이 만든 거 보면은, 이런 것들 많이 있나요? 지금 창문 밖으로 한번 봐봐요. 구름이 이렇게 생겼어요? 나무가 이렇게 생겼어요? 창밖으로 봤을 때 직각이 있는 거는 주로 인간이 만든 걸 거예요. If you look outside and you see straight lines, usually it's made by humans. Nature doesn't draw like, nature draws like this. 둥글둥글 몽글몽글. Okay? It draws in curves. But right now, you're learning all your math in what's known as rectilinear coordinates. 지금은 우리가 아직은 시작하는 단계이기 때문에 모든 수학을 좌표로 따지면 직각 좌표계라는 걸로 배우고 있어요. 직각으로. 인간은 직각을 좋아하기 때문에. 근데 자연에 대해서 내가 좀 더 배우고 싶으면은 직각이 아닌 이런 거, 이런 곡선, 이런 거에 대해서 내가 이해를 해야 되고, 그러려면은 내가 원에 대해서 이해를 해야 됩니다. 그러면은 인간이 좋아하는 직각 좌표계와 자연이 더 선호하는 원, 즉 polar, 극좌표계, polar coordinates를 연결해주는 뭔가가 없을까요? Yes, there is. Can you guess what that is? Can you guess? It's the right. 자, 아까 우리가 circumcenter, incenter란 걸 했죠. I showed it to you. I proved it to you how to draw it. 모든 삼각형에는 내가 원을 그릴 수가 있어요. 그리고 2000년 전에, was it? I don't remember if it was 2000, 4000 years ago. Euclid proved this is true for all triangles. All triangles are circles. 그럼 삼각형은 원에 대한 정보를 갖고 있음과 동시에 if it has a right angle, notice what it also has. 즉 삼각형은 두 개의 세상에 동시에 있는 거예요. Just like you can understand. 선생님이 영어로 하다가 if I switch to Korean, you can still understand me. 얘는 약간 두 개의 언어를 하는 애예요. 그래서 우리가 직각으로, 왜 이건 나중에 막 선 같은 거 만들고 하잖아요. 그래프 만들잖아요. 직각 좌표계로. 이 모든 정보를 얘를 통해 가지고 여기로 통역을 해주는 애예요. 그 통역을 우리가 trigonometry라는 삼각 함수라고 합니다. 지금은 안 배울 거지만. 그 준비를 하기 위해서 여러분이 지금 지오메트리를 하고 있는 겁니다. 오케이? 그래서 그 재료를 준비하고 있기 때문에 사실 밥도 다 요리가 완성돼야지 먹을 때 맛있잖아요. 재료를 준비할 때는 이거 굳이 내가 왜 해야 되나? 근데 이쁘게 지금 재료를 다져주고 잠깐 뭐 냉장고에 나가지고 숙성시키고 나중에 꺼내가지고 맛있는 요리를 할 거예요. So, for now, please remember the four centers of a triangle. Let's do a quick review. So we have circumcenter, incenter, orthocenter, and centroid. This is the only one that's a little different. Circumcenter, it's a circle. You're going to draw a circle around the triangle. 얘는 어떻게 그린다? This is where all the perpendicular bisectors. Incenter, it's inside. It's inside. This is the center of the circle that's inside your triangle. How do you draw this? You do all the angle bisectors. Orthocenter. Ortho. It looks like it's got this like right angle. Doesn't it? Yeah? Orthocenter. So this is where you have a triangle and you're going to have all the altitudes. Okay? All altitudes. Where all the altitudes meet. And centroid, 얘만 좀 다르죠? Something center, something center, something center. 인데 얘만 앞에 center가 있어요. This is where all the medians meet. And this is what we call the center of mass. Center of mass or center of gravity. Same thing. Okay, so it's a slightly different. And that's where you cut this in half. Pyong, pyong, pyong. And pyong, pyong. Okay, this is where it is. Okay. All right, that's it for this quick little introduction to the different centers of a triangle. I hope this was able to help you. And that's it for today. See you next time. Bye.